One day come and buy this one. I just brought it from Addis Ababa.
Now count for your mind. Me say for the count.
Now you break this, you know you go pay.
Now what you dey try talk? No be me o.
Okay. 4, 5, 6. No count for
That count for your mind. Count for your mind. Now, Ghana, let me bring this block. Now, no dey touch am. Let me bring this block.
No stay my block. Oh. No one give you this work fit you. What?
Now you the work fit. It be like say suffer never dey tire you, abi.
Oh, this work.
Nah, person need to waka collect update. Oh.
Nah,
You know say you get guys wey get money.
Who?
All these your guys wey get money now.
Your guys don't have money.
Now all my guys poor like me. Oh. My guys no get money. Oh.
That's why I say this work fit you.
Now you this work fit. It be like say suffer no dey tire you. Oh.
Suffer no tire.
Now suffer fit you. You know say as you slim like this now, suffer fit you where abi. Hey, I mean I don't tire. Oh. I need get update. But you need to waka collect update. Oh. No be like this person go continue. Hi.
But not true, guy. If I see anything now, I go do am.
Nah, take a easy. You no go do blood money, you because I know say you no get joy. Eh? Relax your mind, oh. Make person just get update.
But you enjoy, oh. Five house, five years. So no one say so. But show me where. Now make I be like. Show me where. I don't suffer.
Can't they? I've told you several times. If I have evidence of hard work, it's hard work. No other way.
What do you mean by hard work? What do you mean? I don't suffer. I don't buy shit. I don't do get man.
Also, if I came here, these are the only things you've done. Can't they? You've not started. You are just starting now. You are not suffering. You've not started. All beginner cable. You are just starting. You've not suffered now. You've not suffered.
Leave that thing. Show me the way. Show me where I feel do anything. Anything I feel do, I'm capable. Show me the way. Give me update. Give me update now. Give me update, please.
Can't they? You can do anything.
Yes.
Okay. Kita kebia. Kante.
Okay. My son, you are welcome to Softex Solutions, where eyes cannot see, ears cannot hear, but only the grace of Crickwater can do. What brings you here?
I want to make money. I want to make plenty money. I'm tired of this poverty of 18.
So you are here in search of wealth?
Yes.
You have come to the right place, my son. For the great Crickwater is the giver of wealth and riches. But are you ready for the sacrifice?
Sacrifice?
Oh yes.
I'm ready to do anything as long as you give me money.
You have to sacrifice a manhood.
Manhood?
Oh yes.
What? My own?
No, not your own. Someone close to you.
I don't have anybody close to me. Oh. I don't have anybody. I don't have a close friend.
I see. Anyway, what do I know? If you say so. Okay. Now look and tell me who you see.
Hey! Agriba! Agriba, my friend!
That is the sacrifice. You have until 24 hours to sacrifice his manhood.
Hey!
Now go!
Hey! I'm Agriba.
Go!
Okay! I'm Agriba.
Okay!
Agriba, this one they clean shoe by this time of the night. You don't want to sleep. Agriba, you don't want to sleep.
Hey! Wow! Why you gonna ask me that kind of question if I don't want to sleep? Now you born me, now you be my papa. Now you want to tell me when I want to sleep?
Since when I know you never clean shoe for night, but you dey clean shoe now. Agriba,
now my brother, person they change. Person they change overnight. And you know sabi say cleanliness is next to godliness. Now when I one day holy, now why I dey clean my shoe every day.
Yes,
if I finish downstairs, I want go wash my clothes. And if I wash my clothes finish, I still get other things what I want to do. I want to arrange this house.
Oh my
I want everywhere just dey clean. You understand?
You say why you not dey sleep? Eh? Why you still there awake by this time? Ever since where I know you, 10 o'clock, you don't go sleep like fowl.
Chai!
Why you still there awake by this time? I can't think.
You don't
You
know
respect
that?
yourself, oh guy. Sleep. Sleep. Ah. You don't get anything when you do. You imagine just sit down, nothing. You know they do anything. Now guy, go sleep.
You think say they wise?
Agriba, this one is up to finish. Show me the way now. Like you see one up. Ah, so far. What talk about people? Ugoji. Yeah.
Oh my man, you are my man.
I know.
I will show you the way.
You will show me the way. Hey, my man. Chuka, my man. It's now you come now.
I will show you the way.
Poto. Okri. Poto. Now look and tell me who you see. Hey! Kante! Oh yes, you have to sacrifice his manhood for you to be rich.
Nah, what for you? Nah, but I can't do this thing. Nah, I need money. I need money. I need to do it. That is all. I be only manhood.
That is all.
Now we get you the blockers. Now that one is not a problem.
Now go!
Hey! And you why they look for your own blockers? Hey!
Did you like that video that you just watched? If yes, why have you not commented? Why have you not liked?
What do I know?
Why have you not subscribed?
I don't
to
know.
this YouTube channel. What are you waiting for? Eh? My brother, what are these people waiting for?
I don't know.
Do you people think I'm a madman? Now you people should subscribe now.
It is says I will laugh.
You see, nobody will remove 1 cent from your account if you subscribe. Subscription is free. I'm telling you, free. Free. Just subscribe. Don't be a stingy human being. We know you like us. That is why you watch this video.
Yes.
Exactly.
If you don't like us,
You will not watch it.
So complete your likeness by subscribing. I don't even know if YouTube can remove that subscribe button and put follow. It will be more better because people think like nobody will remove you money if you subscribe. Please, it's not that we are changing it. We are not changing it for you. We are just begging you.
When I beg,
We have begged you
it's
enough.
beg we are begging.
Subscribe.
I beg.
Because subscribe. See, we have suffered.
You have suffered.
600 years we have suffered.
Only you.
But subscribe, please just subscribe. Please. Subscribe to our channel.
For more videos.
Every week we are giving you hot videos.
Back to back.
to
I see the
Hot videos, back to back. You know, trust me, I know you like all those videos that we are giving you.
Yeah, like it, of course.
Pam, 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 pam. Since you say Sabi laugh, subscribe to this channel. Subscribe
Now and enjoy unlimited laughter.
Unlimited laughter. If you don't subscribe, you problem for this world though.
Family problem no dey finish.
If you don't subscribe, you go dey get issues. Subscribe, make they laugh.
I'm telling you.
I beg, subscribe. Thursday,
Eh?
tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe, I beg.
Where you cigar? Click on the subscribe.